My least favorite lids. Takes ages to open them. Okay, this one was actually easy. I've already applied wood primer yesterday, I think, and I wasn't able to remove all the paint because it was difficult, so I just sanded it off as much as possible, and now I'm going to apply the first layer of paint. Okay, I painted one layer so far, but I will need to paint the second one tomorrow, hopefully. And I wanted today to do other work outside, but because of the wind, I will be unable to. I need to take these the sawdust into the barn gradually, because I don't want to leave it outside when the weather is getting cold and when it will start raining more. Look at these beautiful ceramic electric switches that I got. They had only 7 white ones, and I needed 10 in total, so I got 3 black ones also. Look how beautiful these are. Retro ceramic electric switches. I think these will definitely suit my farmhouse. Agata, I will take your video. This is so strange. This is a light switch, but there is only 2 active wires. It looks like this is active, this is neutral, but then it's not connected to anything because it goes here. It's not connected to anything. So then how come this maybe didn't work at all? This is so strange. Then I wouldn't be able to convert it to the electric socket. Upon closer inspection, it seems that it is actually those are the main wires, and it was connected to the light source, but that is also cut off. So I will try to fix it and see what happens. not yet fixing it to the wall to see if it works. Okay, now I will test it. It's working.